Life can feel like a constant struggle. We all have moments where we feel stuck, overwhelmed, or addicted to something that's holding us back. But here's the truth. It doesn't matter where you are today. What matters is where you're going. Every day is a new chance for you to restart your life. And today, we're going to talk about how to quit any addiction and unlock your true potential. Whether it's a bad habit, a toxic relationship, or a self-limiting belief, it's all changeable. The first step is simple: awareness. You need to ask yourself, what's controlling me? Is it fear? Addiction to comfort? Maybe you're stuck in patterns that no longer serve you. Recognize it. Own it. It's the first step toward freedom. But awareness alone is not enough. The next step is action. And action requires breaking free from the cycle. Small changes can lead to massive shifts. You don't need to fix everything at once. Start with one thing. Whether it's saying no to procrastination or ending a toxic relationship, make one positive choice today. Now, here's the most powerful thing you need to know. When you quit what's holding you back, you create space for what's meant to come next. When you stop wasting energy on things that drain you, you'll discover the energy to achieve greatness. You see, achieving anything in life isn't about waiting for the right time, the perfect conditions, or a lucky break. It's about consistent effort. It's about getting up every time you fall, believing in yourself even when no one else does. Your addiction, whether it's to substance, distractions, or even fear of failure, isn't your identity. You are more than your struggles. You are capable of greatness. The question is, how badly do you want it? So today, let go of what's not serving you. Start fresh. It doesn't matter if you've tried before and failed. It's not about perfection. It's about persistence. Every step forward is progress. Remember this: you have the power to restart your life right now. Quit what's holding you back. Achieve what you desire. Your future is waiting for you to take the first step. Start today. The journey begins now.